this video series is going to be a whole bunch of stuff for you folks to utilize during the coronavirus, and also during any time that kind of moving forward where we want to have more stuff for our clients to see us online. Not only will it bring us more clients, retention wise, it'll also help us attract new clients and prospects. Both Plan Advisors Hawaii, Plan Advisors, nationwide have resources out there to help. So these videos are going to be stuff focusing on carrier resources like Humana's Fast app using the IVR, the telephonic signature. We're going to go into the different carriers, resources to enroll online, and also other things that you can have to enhance your clients and your prospects online experience, just so that you can have more I guess you could say, presence online. And I'm not sure if all of you have done a website yet, but let's go ahead and learn about that, learn about videos, and learn about anything we can do to help promote our business during this time, and of course moving forward past 2020. So with that said, let's go into our series. All right, so this video, I'm just going to go and show you how to use the WellCare Ohana enrollment platform. It's the PURL, it's personal URL link. Everyone should have one, and it's going to be WellCare Rep or ohanarep.com/ whatever your writing number is. Make sure that they have this, and when they see it, it says all the same things, because if for some strange reason it doesn't show your full name here, it may just go to what we call the house account, or it might just be might go to no rep, and you won't get paid. So make sure you give them the right URL. And this is for people who have already been through a presentation with you. So if you did a phone presentation or a online presentation, then you can give them this link that will allow them to enroll in the plan themselves. And this is pretty much all it says. They're going to have to enroll now or compare plans, and you can guide them through this process. You cannot do this process for them. So they would, of course, need access to the internet and need some kind of a web browser, and they need all their information here. So what we're going to do is just get started. This is the I call it Medicare Insurance Direct, but it's basically the online platform that people use to enroll. So let's go here, and it's going to give you the plans that there are, and just let you know this plan is available here, but I would not recommend this plan. Recommend this one. So they would just add this to cart, and they'd have to actually follow kind of like whenever you go shopping. It's literally called those things, and you just enroll, and they need to fill out all their information. So this is how they would do it, the things you need to go. And just to give you an example, I'm going to just show you again, ohanarep.com, and then your rep ID, and that'll take you to WellCare Rep out here. Enroll now, same thing, right? So this is what they need to do to get enrolled into an Ohana plan through the personal URL. And again, you need to have, I'm going to just reiterate that you need to have them already been through a presentation. You can't show them this link and just say enroll. This link is after you showed them a seminar, you went through the whole sales process. That's as of this video. I'm not sure if they're ever going to change those things, but per the WellCare and Ohana guidance locally here in Hawaii, that's what their guidance is. So make sure before you show them this website or have them go here, direct them to go here, that you actually have done a compliant presentation first. If not, you're not in compliance. And for your sake and for everyone else's sake, make sure you stay in compliance. All right, that kind of ends it. All right, hope you folks enjoyed that video. For more videos like that on how to use digital or online tools, check the playlist up here. For more information on how you can take your practice further, faster, using online tools, be sure to subscribe to this channel and visit us on hawaiiagentonline.com so that you can go ahead and let us know how we can best serve you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.